In this sequence, we will show how the most energetically stable structure is not always obvious. Look at this molecule. The bond angles are at their optimum value, and the atoms are arranged in space such that they are as far away from each other as possible to minimize repulsion. The total stabilization energy released to form the molecule in this favorable arrangement is shown by the green bar. Watch what happens to the total energy with rotation around one of the carbon-carbon bonds. Repulsion between the oxygen atom and the carbon atom with its hydrogen atoms is greater in this arrangement, so the total stabilization energy is less, indicating this molecular arrangement is more unfavorable than the previous one. What do you predict will happen to the total energy if we rotate around the other carbon-carbon bond, placing the two oxygen atoms close to one another? As expected, the total stabilization energy is now even less, indicating this repulsion is even more unfavorable. To relieve the strain of this repulsion, the molecule spontaneously twists around one of the hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom until it points directly toward the other oxygen atom. What do you predict will be the effect on the total stabilization energy? Well, that was unexpected. The total stabilization energy has increased, indicating the molecule is more stable in this arrangement. The reason is that a new kind of bond has formed between the hydrogen atom and the oxygen atom, shown here as a dashed translucent bond. This is called a hydrogen bond and is quite different to the other covalent bonds holding the atoms in the molecule together. You might remember from the first video that molecules are always vibrating. If they are in a strained arrangement, they will twist and unfold into their most stable arrangement. Watch how this molecule vibrates and you will see that the hydrogen bond holds the molecule in a curled up arrangement. This shows how important hydrogen bonds can be in determining the stability of a molecular arrangement.